How to use slow-mo in a TikTok video. If you want to add a slow motion effect to your TikTok video, there's only a few steps to do so. Once you have your video and images selected to create your TikTok, you'll be brought to this editing screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll want to select the Effects tab. From your effect options at the bottom, select Time. You'll then see a slow-mo effect listed in your options. To apply the slow-mo effect, simply select it. You can then extend or decrease the slow-mo by adjusting the trimmers, and you can move the slow-mo selection by dragging it throughout the video. Once you have the slow-mo to your liking, you can select Save in the top right corner of the screen. And that's how to add slow-mo to a TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.